The new Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is an example of bold and visionary design, inspired by the 1967 model that was hailed as one of the most beautiful cars ever. Created in Alfa Romeo's Bottega workshop, this car is a collaboration between designers, historians, and tailored to the specifications of each buyer. The new 33 Stradale will produce only 33 units, and all of which are already sold. With exquisite looks, buyers can choose two powertrain options that unleash either 612 horsepower from a twin-turbo V6 or 740 horsepower from an electric setup. The new 33 Stradale will feature double-arm active suspension attached to an H-frame and carbon fiber monocoque chassis that promises to deliver lightness and rigidity. Higher up, a carbon fiber and aluminum roof help support the classic butterfly doors. Inside, the interior is a nod to the iconic car that inspired it. Simplicity is key here, and even the steering wheel is devoid of buttons, dials, and unnecessary technology. The entire cockpit is aviation-inspired too, with some of the control buttons and dials on the center tunnel and some positioned overhead. The new 33 Stradale is an authentic manifestation of the Italian brand's capabilities, now and in the future, in terms of style and driving experience.